Thank you very much, my dear colleagues. NEC met today, Thursday, September 9, 2021, to further discuss critical issues concerning the party. NEC commends the efforts of the National Working Committee, the PDP Governors Forum, the Board of Trustees, the National Assembly Caucus, and other stakeholders in resolving the challenges confronting the party. NEC approved the composition of the National Convention Planning Committee as well as a zoning committee to zone National Working Committee offices. The National Convention Planning Committee, National Convention Organizing Committee, the NEC approved the Right Honorable Ahmadu Fintiri, the Governor of Adamawa State, as Chairman, 2021 National Convention Organizing Committee. Senator Douye Diri, the Governor of Bayelsa State, is the Deputy Chairman of the committee, while Engr Seyi Makinde, the Governor of Oyo State, is to serve as committee's secretary. On zoning committee, NEC approved Right Honorable Ifeanyi Uguanyi, the Governor of Engr State, as Chairman of Zoning Committee. Dr. Samuel Ortom, the Governor of Benue State, is the Deputy Chairman on Zoning Committee, while Barrister Mahdi Aliyu Mohammed, the Deputy Governor of Zamfara State, is Secretary of the Zoning Committee. NEC charged the committees to work hard to ensure the successful conduct of the National Convention. NEC received a report of the Senator David Mark Committee, which is intervening in certain issues relating to the leadership challenges in our party. The David Mark Committee assured that efforts are on to resolve all court matters. NEC thanked Nigerians for the confidence they repose in the PDP and for the solidarity and support they have collectively shown our party at our trying time. Thank you very much. No decision in respect of that. The zoning committee will bring up its decision and bring it back to NEC. I don't know. No date has been fixed. Another question? I said no date has been fixed for the next meeting. When the party decides, we will invite you, as usual.
The convention date remains sacrosanct.
Convention date remains October 30, 31.
What is the question of the party on standing state congresses? How soon are they coming up?
Oh, we have a timetable already. I don't have the timetable here. The outstanding state congresses are on, they will be completed even before the National Convention. Any other question? Thank you very much, dear colleagues, and thanks for coming.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.